Hello there, welcome to our channel tutorial again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to customize the notifications and sound on Facebook Messenger app. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to customize your notifications and sound on your Facebook Messenger app, let's open the Messenger app first. And after that, you can see your profile picture icon on the top left corner of your screen. Tap on your profile picture icon like this, and when you get to this interface, scroll down a little bit and you can see the notification and sounds option available over here. Under the category preferences, tap on the notifications and sound, and after that you can see all the options available over here. If you want to turn your notification sounds permanently off, tap on the first toggle icon over here just beside the on option available over here. Tap on that toggle icon and you can see you will be able to mute notifications for 15 minutes, 1 hour, for 8 hour, 24 hours, or the alarm at 4:85. And you can see you can choose for OK, and it will be turned off, and when you turn it on, it's on again. And you can see you can turn off the vibrate on ring feature on the messenger from over here, and you can also turn on or off the in-app sounds. For me, it's attracting when the sound plays, so I'll turn it on. And you can also see the groups in Android Auto for the sounds. And you can see over here a new friend notification is also over here, which says get a new chat thread when you have a new Facebook friend, and you can turn it on or off. You can also see the notification previews or show name and messages notification, and many more you can customize from over here. Ringtones over here, you can change your ringtone on Messenger. You can put it to normal. And there guys, this is how you customize your notifications and sounds on your Messenger app. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.